Hi guys, so good evening to everyone. As part of our cooking series, we are just going to prepare a dinner for two. For tonight, we are going to fry chicken. But this is a different chicken because this is going to be pichon. It's lechon manok that is fried, so it's prito and lechon. It's called pichon. I have here some leftover chicken that I'm going to fry, but to make it more savory, because I think the one thing lacking about this Chooks to Go chicken is the flavor of the lemongrass. I am going to fry the lemongrass in the oil with the chicken to infuse it with the lemongrass flavor. This is some cold chicken. I'm just going to just with like chicken pasta sauce because these are leftover chicken from the refrigerator.